Do it yourself, Del. I know trick-or-treating's over, and there might be some things that were forgotten and not dealt with at the proper time, but these items here we wanted the public to become acquainted with, and I'll open up one right now. And I'll show you what this is all about. Oh, it doesn't open easy. You're on TV. I have to cut. How the trick-or-treater's going to get this open? Well, since in the interest of being expeditious, we'll cheat and use so here it is. Here's 3 cards in here. 2, 3, and here they are in backwards. 2, 3, and I'm just as in the idea here. Let me get you a better close-up of these. This is the back of the cards. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So this would be normally something that trick-or-treaters might get in their packages. And it's got the purple pumpkin and oh, I see. It's not trick-or-treat. It's trick-or-trade. So apparently these cards are to be traded amongst the other recipients. Yeah, do we have that right? Can they read on that?
Well, you gotta hold it a little bit. Yep. We're good on that one.
Okay, good on that one. And then this.
Good.
And then this.
Yeah.
So this is just a short little item of we're just wrapping up the loose ends of the trick-or-treating system. So subscribe and comment, please, and
don't forget the
thumb up.
Advent calendar.
And thumb up and share. And okay, the Advent calendar's behind me. So am I opening up again? Or it's not behind me, it's right here.
Yeah.
Okay,
so... You gotta open up day 2.
I gotta open up 2, okay. So we're continuing with this Advent calendar. And again, it's not in order. So number 2 is up here. And number 1 opened pretty easily. So we'll see, there it is. There's 2. And there's 2. Oh, this one looks more like a peanut butter cup, which you would expect from this company. So I have to try this out, right?
Yeah, you can try it.
I can? I already know what it's going to taste like. But it's an unwrapping kind of thing here with the deal. And let me see if there's an extra wrapping. So if you get kind of rambunctious and eager, check out that you're not eating the paper that the cup comes in. There's the paper and there's the cup. So a little bit of patience there might save you the problem of eating some paper. There we go. And that's what it looks like.
Hold it up.
So this is day 2 of the Advent calendar.
Alright, cool.
Now please subscribe and comment. And thumb up and share. Do it yourself, Del, signing out.